it's Christina. So today I have a squishy package from Silly Squishies. So let's get on to the package opening. So here's the first look of it for you guys. So this is a pretty small package because I think I ordered like 2 or 3 squishies. So yeah, the first squishy I pull out is this Cafe Dien croissant. And look how squishy and slow rising it is. I'm gonna give this to my sister for her birthday. And yes, this is the Cafe Dien squishy. It's so detailed. So yeah, that's the first squishy. The next squishy I pull out is this bread roll Cafe Dien squishy, and it's super slow rising if you guys can see it, and it's really squishy and slow rising and soft. And oh yeah, this is the licensing right there. I'm gonna show you the other licensing if I can find it. Right here. Yeah. And the next thing to pull out is this jumbo turtle. And this is the last squishy in the package. And it is super slow rising. I'm surprised. Like, I didn't think it'd be this squishy. Like, I think it's squishier than my sister's. So yeah, this is the last squishy. And these are all the squishies I bought. Right there. And there's one extra, and it is a grape haichu. So I'm definitely going to be eating this. So yeah. So yeah, that was all, and this is the bag it came in. If you guys want to see the bag, yeah, scratch those out. So yeah, comment down below which squishy you recommend me to buy, and yeah, hope you guys like it. Like, comment, and subscribe. Bye!